Oh, here we are. Here's some birds out here.
Take pictures and show.
Yeah, there's only two.
I can video and take pictures. Pretty cool. Look at that.
Nope, three.
Look at that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Look, he's about to talk to you, Skylar.
Let's go. Do other ones too?
Skylar's filming for the YouTube channel, ain't you, son?
Yeah, I'm talking.
Oh, look at that one.
Wow, look at these.
Yep.
Wow. Hello, birdies.
Three colors.
Hi, birdies. Is that one asleep, dear?
That one is asleep.
That's how they sleep?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy.
Cross. Hello.
Hello. How you doing?
Hello.
Hi. What's he doing? He must be, his nose must be itching. Hi. What you doing? Are you going to talk?
You gotta talk?
Oh.
This one doesn't talk. Hi.
Hi.
His nose.
He's scratching his nose. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Don't go touch
This
that.
is the
Or sit down.
Parrot Mountain Garden of Eden.
Parrot Mountain. Oh, look at that one.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Dad.
Hi. What? Oh, wow, look at that one. Look at this one. We're just having fun, ain't we, baby?
Yeah. Look at that.
Watch this one, y'all.
He's dancing.
Are you dancing? Yeah, they said they'll be dancing.
It'll bite.
Not too
Dance.
close.
You gonna dance?
Dance.
There you go. Yeah. Cool. Yeah.
It copies you. Dance.
Wow. Wow, that's awesome. You a good bird?
Dance.
You are? You a good bird?
Dance.
Yeah.
Wow. What's up?
Dance.
Dance. Not too close.
Hey,
Dance.
Hi.
Party.
He likes the attention. He, she, whoever.
Dance.
Yeah.
Dance. Ready? Dance.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look at these. Dance. Ready? 3,
Are you a good bird?
3, 2, 1, go. 3,
That's cute, ain't
1,
it?
go.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? Yeah. You're a good bird. Yeah.
That's the only bird there. It dances automatically.
You gonna dance? You just sitting there, huh? I hear you.
3,
Just being comfortable, right?
1, go.
Hello.
Dance.
Oh, wait a minute. Wow.
Dance.
I forgot that I could video and take pictures. Honey, so when you're at the track, you can video and take pictures with me. Oh, hello. What's this
Hello.
one? Terry, look at this one. Hi. What are you doing?
Oh, that one don't have nothing.
Huh.
Oh, these are real.
Wow.
These are real birds.
Terry, get back here now. Don't get too close, Terry. And don't get too close, Skylar.
What about you, honey?
What's this one?
Parrots. Real
Yeah,
parrots.
something. Hi, you're pretty. Oh. What are you doing? Oh, is he gonna talk? Hi. Ah, here we are. The Parrot Mountain Garden of Eden, right here. Like, share, subscribe our videos. The Ghost Family Adventures. Hi, what y'all doing? Adventures Reality Show. Hi. What are you doing? Wow, what's this?
Is it that?
What are they doing?
But that was dancing. Hey, he's showing off.
Oh no, come here, Terry.
That was showing off.
What are you doing?
Just
What are you doing?
dancing.
Oh, is that one going to talk?
Hello.
Wow.
Oh, that was.
Oh wow, look at this one. Terry, get back over here.
Oh,
Wait on us.
it's a bluebird.
Oh wow. That's cool.
Can't we just have fun?
We have to be able to show, honey.
Here's a bluebird.
Come on.
We done it for the show last time.
Here,
Come on, look at
take a
these.
picture. Well,
We done the show last time. Can I wait for a minute?
No.
we're getting more viewers on our show, Cherry. What? What was it? Which one was it?
Talking.
Which one? This one?
Go.
Hello.
Or more down here.
What the?
What's this one?
What is that?
Oh, it's a peacock.
No, it's a hen.
It's a hen.
Wow.
There's
That
not
looks
land
like
on
a
you,
peacock.
Corgi.
What?
There's not land on you, they said.
Hello.
No, these ones will bite.
Oh,
Some
wow.
of them don't bite.
Hello.
That one don't. Hello.
How are you all?
Hi.
Oh.
Hi.
It is a one.
Hi, bird. Oh, that one's scary. That one
Hey,
is
you want to
scary.
wait with me?
One picture with me?
You want to wait
Oh,
on me?
wait a minute.
Yeah.
No, that one's
No, it's going
I'll
to
get one in a minute.
the Owen.
Oh, wow,
Hi.
why you got his claws out for?
Hi.
Is it prepared to
Claw
land
shot.
on us?
How are you all?
Not these.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you gonna talk? Hello.
That one bites.
You wanna say hi? Hi. You all are pretty birds. Yeah.
Got a bird of stack.
That one turned around.
There's a peacock.
You gonna talk?
Peacock.
Say hello.
There's a peacock.
One of your friends over there was dancing.
Peacock.
Come over here. Hi.
Kids.
What are you all doing?
Don't get too close, they will bite.
They bite, Craig. Don't get too close. Don't.
I'm not.
Over here, there's a peacock.
Wow, look at this big old thing.
Peacock.
Let's go. Wow. This is awesome.
That's the Garden of Eden.
This is the Garden of Eden right here. Oh, wow. Well, hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
What is that?
I don't know. It scared me to death.
Uh-huh. How you doing? You gonna talk?
Craig, here's the garden. Secret garden.
Huh? You gonna talk? Hi. You gonna talk?
Dad, this is where the birds land on us.
Oh, wow, Garden of Eden right here. No, right there, but right
Look
here.
at these peacocks.
Garden of Eden right here. Can you go inside there? Oh, wow. Let's go inside the Garden of Eden. Wow. Let's go. Come on.
You can go through here.
Here, go.
This is where
Oh.
the birds are that land on you.
Yep, now you're ready.
This is the Garden of Eden right here.
Come on, Sean.
Let's go.
Come on, shut the
They
door.
say the birds will land on you. I don't know. We'll go see. Right here.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Go. Look up, son.
I'm trying.
Hello, birds.
That's good.
It's the Garden of Eden. What I talked about in the Bible. Right here.
Easy, go slow.
The voice of...
Read it, Terry, read it to me. The voice of beloved, behold.
I was following you down.
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead, read that.
The voice of beloved, behold, keep leaping up the mountains, skipping the hills beyond the sea, and setting to rivers. Rise up, my love, my fair one, come away, for the winter is past, the rain is overgone. The flowers appear, the earth,
Listen.
the time of singing the birds is come, and the voice, the turtle is here to land. The fat feet have sweet green teeth, and thighs with the tender grape give small smell. Arise, my fair Lord, come away, song of salmon.
Cool. Wow. Hi, birds.
Can I land on you in here?
Look at that.
No.
Wow, this is so pretty. This is so awesome. This is what it was like.
Whoa!
This is what it was like before Adam and Eve had sinned.
More. I got two
Right, Mom?
videos. You got videos? Yep.
Right, baby?
I got
Before
two
Adam and
videos,
Eve
that's the only
sinned,
I have.
listen, before Adam and Eve sinned, they were supposed to take care of all this.
Whoa, why they...
Yeah. You know that, kids? They were supposed to take care of all this. And it just that was their job. Yeah.
Whoa, that one...
Hi, birdies.
No.
Don't
It just
touch
pooped.
Wow, this is sponsored by
It smells like poo.
David Foley, Jacob Glover, CG Racing, and
Good Lord above.
the Ark Christian Bookstore, and the Good Lord Above.
It don't land on you.
No.
And 1, 2. There's more.
Oh, there's more.
See?
Oh, there's more
They're actually
in here.
Oh, we were just here.
Wow.
Different one.
No,
This is awesome.
Yeah, but don't go until I see everything.
We just went through the Garden of Eden and we're going right through here to Control Tour. Oh, here's a tour right here. Wow. Look at all this, kids. Look at all this, kids. Wow. Hello. 4.
Welcome in. If you guys look right there, we have the photos of all the parrots on you guys. And your head, your shoulders, your arms.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Pick you guys up and take you a nice picture with the birds.
How much
They
is
come in
it?
these sizes. The magnet frame's 30. The big one's 40. And both together for the combo's 50. If you guys like to get a photo taken with all the parrots on you guys?
Not right now.
Not now. Probably the next one, but
Okay, alright. Let me sanitize your hands.
alrighty.
You gotta put your phones up.
Where? Oh, you gotta put your phones
Yep.
up.
Oh, yeah.
If you guys
We got
want to feed
fun.
the birds
Oh.
in here, you feed with the
I'll
flat
get
open
back on
hand.
here in a minute, y'all. Like, share, subscribe our videos. Joseph Family Adventures Reality Show.
Everybody see